how to close Aqua Credit Card. So if you finally decide that you would like to close your Aqua Credit Card, for this, first of all, open your browser and just type in close Aqua Credit Card. You'll find the first link from portal.aquacard.co.uk, which is the official help section. It says I would like to close my Aqua Credit Card account or something like that. So open that particular article or the link. Now when you're here on this help section, you'll actually be able to see a couple of ways on how you can actually delete or get rid of your account. So it says to close your account, please visit account settings. So all you have to do is simply tap on the account settings button and just go ahead and then log into your Aqua account. So log into your Aqua Credit Card account by entering your username and password. Then after that, you can simply follow the on-screen instructions to close your Aqua Credit Card. This way you can close Aqua Credit Card. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.